This has been the weekly tone alert test on NOAA Weather Radio, all hazard stations, KIG 74 in Sault Ste. Marie, KIG 83 in Alpena, KIH 22 in Traverse City, WWF 70 in Gaylord, KXI 33 in West Branch, and WNG 572 in Petoskey. We want to remind residents that severe weather season is approaching. This includes tornadoes, flooding, high winds, and other severe weather that could disrupt our daily lives. Everyone should at least review your severe weather plan during Severe Weather Awareness Week. Disasters don't plan ahead, but you can. If this alert had been for an actual tornado warning or severe thunderstorm warning, you would have been instructed to seek safe shelter immediately. Severe Weather Awareness Week in Michigan continues through Saturday, March 22nd. Additional Severe Weather Awareness Week and safety information may be found at www.weather.gov/Gaylord. This concludes the test. We now return to our regular programming.